That's a very difficult and interesting question. Blood pressure is clearly an intermediate variable. In other words, it's in a general way, lowering blood pressure is associated with improved cardiovascular outcomes. But it also matters how you lower blood pressure. And for example, when we use different antihypertensive drugs, we find that the effects on blood pressure may be the same, but the effects on ultimate outcomes sometimes differ. In fact, there have been antihypertensive drugs that have adverse effects, despite the fact that they lower blood pressure, and have been removed from the marketplace. But I think there are other analogies, other than drug analogies, that are important here. For example, 50 years ago, we had the notion that if women restricted weight gain during pregnancy, they would reduce the likelihood of eclampsia, which was a real hazard and is a real hazard during pregnancy. But what was found after more extensive study was that a calorically restricted and a sodium restricted diet during pregnancy actually increased fetal wastage. So we no longer recommend a low-calorie or weight-restricted pregnancy. I think the story is more analogous, really, to the notion of the relationship of salt to cardiovascular outcomes.